Right, so
Grade 11, choice 2, 26 June. Lesson 1. Action!
first half. Okay. We've got two things we have to do today. So, first one is test back. The second one is 2 videos. Okay, there will be no riot. Okay, so there's no like beating each other, shouting at me, because you kids are just revolting. So, everybody who wants the test back first, put your little handy in the air. Don't look at each other, you ghastly little children. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Videos first. 1, 2, 3. Okay, test back. How many tests have you written, Dad?
2.
So everybody get out all your tissues. Can you use your? Not absorbent. Okay, right, ready. Have you all got your tissues? Yeah, we'll best you. Emma, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm eating baby food.
Listen, guys.
Remember at the protest that I text?
I think somebody thinks, yeah, you know how it goes, and I don't. So at least Sydney asked, Mrs. Page, please may I eat? Okay.
I'm smiling at you. I can see the first one.
Wait, that was the test we wrote yesterday.
Yes. Congratulations.
How did you stay on two? How did Martin say?
Thank you.
If I'm the only teacher involved, then I can control how you get that.
42.
If the other teachers involved.
47.
Yeah.
More than 30.
I can't deal with this now.
What did you do?
I don't know what this is.
So did you get iPhone 6?
What's this? Your mom.
Okay. Well done.
I just didn't need it right now.
Ooh, got it. Dang. Nice one. Yeah, you copied me. I got your, I got my mom to it. You copied me. Mom, you got glasses with me.
What have I done?
I got 2.3 and 2.7 now.
What's 2.8? 92.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go through it, guys. Hey. Okay. All right.
This was high-key a nice taste.
What? Put your mask over your nose and keep it there. Okay. Right, let's go. So the matching columns, this is what always tells me how your test is going to go.
I'm literally sitting across the glass for K.
Get out. Okay. All right. So it was 1D, 2A, 3C, 4I, 5H, 6F, 7B, 8E, 9M, 10G. Any queries?
I thought we had to write it on the paper because like I didn't read the instructions right.
Oh, hold on, wait.
And then you were like 5 minutes later, and then I read the instructions again, and I was like, woo! And I had to write on my paper.
So when in doubt, read the instructions. And I'm telling you one time now. Get outside. If I see that little nose again,
I can't breathe with this thing over my nose.
I'm trying to care, but as Isabella knows, I don't. Listen, you do know that children don't show symptoms. And therefore, you could have COVID and be spreading it to me. And because I'm older than you are and have more stress than you do, I'm much more likely to die. Okay, so keep that thing over your nose, or I will have to stress you and make you die. Okay. By making you sad, by giving you naught. Listen carefully to me. Everybody, you may not write or number in the margin. Ever. Ever, 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 ever.
I'm pretty sure it's the first time we
It's
heard
not
it.
the first time. Yeah.
Well, this just apparently is a Bolu thing that they make it a rude surprise when you get to a trick.
No.
You're not allowed in your matric exam to write your number in the margin.
Why?
Because it's used for marking and totaling and whatever. You've got all your stupid things in there. Where are we going to total?
That's why you have the right hand on.
Yeah.
No, those are subtotals. These are total totals.
That's
Okay. No, it's not. You just need to be told that. And I'm surprised none of your teachers have ever taught you that.
So I'm going to write the numbers on the other side of the margin and then your answer.
Yes. And that's why the instruction was write the numbers 1.1 to 1.10, one underneath each other, next to the margin.
You could mean next to on the
No,
left,
that
or
would
next
be
to on the
in
right.
the margin.
No.
Okay. And in the short ones, don't leave a line open between them. Because my way of marking is I've got a piece of paper on which I've written the correct things according to instructions, one underneath the other. And I put this next to yours and my eye goes across, is it the same or is it different? If you stupidly didn't follow instructions, you left lines open, I just get grumpy.
Which ones were we meant to not leave lines open? One.
These the 1.1 and the 2.1, whatever. Okay, and then I would be happy with the 3s as well. These ones, these one-word ones.
These no spaces.
No, the long ones you must leave the line. Okay, all right, 2. 1B, 2C, 3C. 4D. Did you get 2 ticks or 2 crosses?
Why is it 2 marks?
Because it takes longer. So the questions that take longer than the other questions must be double.
Oh.
Tony?
Ma'am, for 2.3, the answer is C, and C is, wait a minute.
C is the thyroids.
No, C's a Gr11.
Oh, same thing.
So then, ma'am, because I think it's in our notes somewhere, it says the radiant energy is dissolved in the membrane of the thyroid or in the Gr11.
Mm.
But isn't that the membrane A, the membrane of the thyroid?
No, that's the chloroplast membrane.
Oh, I mixed it up. Oh,
The whole thing is a chloroplast
didn't. Oh no, I knew what the answer is, but I didn't know. If only you asked the question and just given the answer.
Would you like me to change the question, my darling?
Yes, please, sir.
Tough luck. Okay, right. Everybody got 2 ticks or 2 crosses next to 2.4. 2.5 is B, 2.6 is B, 2.7 is C, 2.8 is B, and again, 2 ticks or 2 crosses. And you are not calculating.
Ma'am, I wrote C and I typically wrote A for 2.7.
You're an idiot.
Just like in my mouth, in my mouth.
Okay, 3.1.1, true. 3.1.2, true. 3.1.3, false. 3.1.4, false. Any questions about these ones? You okay? Okay. All right, this is the graph you should have drawn. You can't go down through 0 because you don't know. You can only write a graph for the figures you've got.
Can you please explain how I got the second
P.
No, where is the graph? I don't know where the graph is.
Tony, you're a flippin' idiot.
Ma'am, how we got the... Because I have absolutely no idea what's in this graph.
Okay.
Like what? So the first...
So it said to you that this guy did an experiment where he had an alga. Now, algae obviously do photosynthesis and cell respiration. Okay, you happy with that? If there's light, they're doing photosynthesis and cell respiration, but if it's dark, they're doing only cell respiration. So, if they're photosynthesizing, as they are because it's light, they're giving out oxygen.
But it said that
Ah!
bacteria.
Okay, read my lips. Don't ask me a question and then keep interrupting me.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, so he took an alga. Okay, it's got chlorophyll. It is photosynthesizing. It gives out oxygen because it's photosynthesizing. Okay. Little bacteria which require oxygen, they're specifically attracted to oxygen. Those little bacteria go and cluster around this alga where the oxygen is given off. And where did he find most of the bacteria? He found most of the little bacteria, which I'm drawing as red circles, in 2 different spots. Because what he did was he took a prism and he shone light through the prism, and the light hit the alga at different wavelengths. So the light that was here was, it showed you from 400 to 700. And there were 2 clusters of bacteria. There was bacteria in other places as well, but mostly the bacteria was here and here. That means that you can make a graph where you go, if this is the wavelength of light, and this is the rate of photosynthesis, then there's a peak over here, and there's a peak over there. Because look, there's a peak over here, and there's a peak over there. And this was about 675, and this was about 450.
That makes
Sure,
a
sure.
lot more sense. Yeah.
Tony.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, why did you put a
tick next to? I wrote my name and then I already wrote.
Because I needed to go back and check something.
Mrs. Page, and you tick Mrs. Page.
No, I need to go back and check that I've marked a particular thing
I
correctly.
thought you ticked it because I spelled your surname right. Because I don't actually know.
And like Tony.
How do you spell it?
What am I?
Is it like page as in?
Man, I couldn't even know the difference between quiet and quit.
I actually don't care how you spell it. I happened to notice as I was going through them.
I'm always considered. I'm like, should I spell the teacher's surname correctly? Will they be offended if I don't?
No, I don't care.
Yeah, and then this is the one time I spell it wrong. Oh wait.
No, I knew it wasn't spelled like name, so that's how you spelled it.
Yeah, I remember you telling us the object.
Okay. All right. We're happy. We understand the graph thing. So where were the marks allocated in the graph? If you look at the notes that I've put here, the marks were allocated. 2 marks for, is there a heading and is the heading complete? So the heading needed to be graph showing the effect of wavelength of light on the rate of photosynthesis. And I think almost all of you got that correct. Did you label both axes? Did you put correct labels? Were your axes the correct way around? And I think almost all of them were. But I do think that the one thing, and this graph doesn't show it, the one thing that you guys need to do is put what I call tick marks on the axes. So if you've got 700 there, you need to have a little mark showing me where 700 is. A little mark there. Okay.
I did that. They told us
Right.
lots of times.
Come on. Fascinating. Okay. And were the peaks at the correct place? So approximately 425-ish and approximately 675-ish.
So is it 1 mark per peak? So if you get the graph wrong, you lost 2.
Yeah, but you shouldn't have put your, this line here, where I'm showing you there, you shouldn't have gone down to 0. You don't know that. There's no evidence for that. Okay, you're right with that, guys?
Cool.
Okay. Then there's that variegated leaf thing. What color would the part of the leaf that contains chlorophyll be? Oh, so higher grade. Green. Okay. Then it said, a single leaf on a pot plant with variegated leaves was covered on both sides by a piece of black cardboard that was held in place by 2 paper clips. So you can see on that drawing, there's a part of the leaf that is yellow because it has no chlorophyll, and a part of the leaf that is green because it does contain chlorophyll. And then it's got cardboard over it. What 2 conditions needed for photosynthesis were being investigated? So they were the presence of sunlight and the presence of chlorophyll. And some of you went stupid pear-shaped and put carbon dioxide. I don't know where you thumb-sucked carbon dioxide from. I believe you must have done it because you looked all guilty. I don't remember. I don't even know whose test I'm marking when I'm marking a test. I promise you. So I don't know who's a nana. Okay. You guys were particularly good at this. You were much better than the other class. Iodine
solution! Not iodine!
I know. You see, I have to say the following. This is the first time that I've realized that you guys occasionally listen to what I say.
No, it's just because like
Normally you can just quote the things that I say like I don't care and I'll get back to this. And
no, but it's like funny because you always have iodine solution.
okay. So then you had to do 2 different things on this leaf that you drew. You had to shade in where there was starch, and there was a patch here and a patch there. Visibility.
End of the first lesson. Cut.